Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I am Professor Ambali Pillai, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kundugodu. So here I'll be taking session 6 from Unit 1 of the subject Principles of Marketing from semester 3. So now let us go first to the recap from session 5. So recap. So what we have studied in last previous session, that was core marketing concepts, that includes need concepts, want concept, demand concept, product concept, utility, cost and satisfaction concept, and finally relationships and network concept. Okay, now let us go to the marketing concepts. So here the 5 concepts of marketing are discussed below. First, the production concept, the product concept, the selling concept, the marketing concept, and the societal marketing concept. Now let us go one by one. The first one, the production concept. This concept was founded during the production era of early capitalism in the mid 1950s. The basic idea of this concept is that companies will produce widely cheap products in maximum quantity to maximize profitability. That means in the early 50s the concept was entirely for the benefit of companies, and they hardly had any priority to their customers, so they only needed just to dump their products to the customers. Then next came the product concept. The product concept focuses more on the customers. So gradually, from production concept, companies started looking for the product, that is the customer need first, the quality of those products and the benefits customers get from the product. This marketing concept assumes that businesses will concentrate on making superior products and improving them over time. So that was the beginning of a new concept, that is giving more importance for customers' need. Then next came the selling concept. The selling concept is the base for all marketing efforts, as it believes that people will not buy enough of a company's product until they are motivated and encouraged to buy. So here this is a phase where the customers were being wooed by the companies, were being attracted by the companies through various modes of promotion. So this was the beginning of all the advertisement and other modes of promotion, so that their product get more demand from the customers. So that is selling concept. Then next, the marketing concept. The marketing concept is a concept of competition. This concept focuses on the needs and wants of target marketing, as well as delivering value better than its competitors. So it was a phase where competitors were entering, and the companies had to face stiff competition, had to keep up their existing customers, had to attract more customers and to retain. So it was a phase where competition was very stiff and customers were gaining importance. So this is the marketing concept. Then next was the societal marketing concept. It is a marketing concept that relieves in giving back to society by producing better products that help the world be a better place. This concept emphasizes on the social responsibility of a business. So this is what we see now, like corporate social responsibility. So hope all of you have heard about CSR. So it is a part of this concept. It is where companies go beyond their their objective of just earning the profit, but also to giving back what they have got from the society, that is giving back to the society. So what they need, what is becoming more sensitive towards social issues, and being a part of bringing up or upbringing the societal socially weak people, or the areas which need real care. So that is companies are getting more involved in social activities. So this is the fifth concept, social marketing concept. So these are the five concepts of marketing, and this was the session theme. So let us have a session summary. So in this session we have discussed the five concepts of marketing. The production concept, this was in the early 50s. The product concept, it was where importance was started giving to the customers needs. And then selling concept, it was where the advertisement or promotion was given importance. The marketing concept, it was where competitions were looked up as a very key factor, where the companies had to look up and change their be in the on the run for their product or for their market share. And then last one was social marketing concept. It is where in this concept importance was given for more social oriented activities being done by the company other than earning profit. So hope you have understood this session content. So thank you, and I'll be coming back with session 7. Thank you.